So it's pretty much like when we moved in, but this is what the room looks like on our last night before the builders come. So this is a before. Get into the corner now, the telly's gone. And this is what the kitchen looks like. Well, this will be the area where hopefully we'll get some kind of seat and a table. And over here, this is what the kitchen looks like currently. Let's put some lights on. Get that shot again. And it goes right into the corner. There we go.
Hi guys, look, no roof. Yeah, so today the roof has disappeared. Lovely blue skies. So it's looking a lot lighter in here. The windows and doors are here. And some of these poles have gone. But yeah, look, blue sky. So it won't be as light as this, obviously. There will be some roof, but there will also be skylights. I think that might be the skylights or the windows. I'm not sure. Windows. Yeah, looking nice. Still waiting for the rest of the wall to come down. But yeah, Casper likes it, don't you, Casper? Casper!
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is gonna be the proper one, bye.